What is bite, folks? Welcome back to JG Bass, and today we are going to be doing some pond hopping and maybe throw out some live baits, and we're just kind of fishing. I haven't been to this pond in a while, but I usually throw out live bait here and catch some big catfish. So we'll see what happens. Let's go fishing. All right, guys. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna catch a perch real quick and throw it out while we fish for some bass. So usually they'll just bite the hook. There he is. Perfect size. Right there. So we're gonna throw him out with the old double bobber, and we'll see what happens. All right, we got him rigged up. We're gonna cast him out. Nope, that was not it. Got a little tanglage up top. There we go. I put him on the live, so the bobber, it kind of works, but I'm gonna get it set up and we're gonna wait. All right, now we're just gonna throw out in the chatterbait until bobber goes down. Oh, that thing is swimming from something. Got him on the chatterbait. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, he came off right there. Dang it. Ah. Gosh darn it. Guys, the bobber it's gone. Alright. Yep, there's something there. Got him. Oh yeah, it's a nice bass. Get out of there. Oh yeah. See if we can just grab him real quick. There we go. Oh, nice. Pretty good one. Dang, he really got it. Awesome. Let's get a weight on him. All right, guys, there he is. It's not too big, but he's a fish. Let's see. 2 pounds. My gosh, he ate that whole perch. A nice bass though, nice colors, look at that. Alright, gonna get a release on him real quick. I'm gonna get back out there. Nope, bye-bye. He wanted to go. Alright, got me another perch. Nope. Hey. Oh, this one's even smaller. This one will be really good. Oh gosh. We are all caught up. There we go. All right, let's get him out. There we go. Now we'll wait. All right. Saw a bunch of fish jumping over here earlier. Oh gosh, it's gone. That's definitely something. Y'all saw how quick that was. I really let him take it. Yep. Oh, no. I broke off. No. Gosh darn it. Dang it. That was a good one, I think. You see how quick it just took off. Alright, I'm gonna go retie an actually good knot. I guess we'll try again without a bobber. Alright. I'm gonna try to catch another perch. Maybe the apple. Gosh, this is not. I'll tune back in when I catch one. Oh my gosh. We just had him and we lost him. Gosh, I can't catch a perch. This is not good. Finally, we got one. Oh, thank God. About time. Oh, right. Alright, let's get him out. And then wait. Here we go with the rig. Gosh, dang, that backlashed. That should be good, I think. Yeah. Recast it. Got one on the chatterbait. This one better stay on. No. Don't jump. Got him. Let's go. On the chatterbait, look at it, right? Smoked him right on the chatterdonk. Yes, sir. Bye-bye. Guys, I didn't have it on, but we absolutely smoked this one on the jig. Got him. So, I'm pop the GoPro back on, and there's a bunch of these bass over here, so we're gonna try to get them. Guys, we just took a pretty good one. Try to. Oh yeah. Nice. This is a pretty good one. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. Smoked the jig. I threw it in there and he came flying out of nowhere. That's a pretty good one right there. Oh yeah, he's a chunk. Look at that tongue. It's a big. Gosh dang, there's this little bass right. Oh, there's Big Mama. Under the rock. Oh no, stay on. Ah, oh, gosh dang it. I literally just flipped it under that rock right there. And I felt thunk. And there it was. Just got one on the jig again. It came out of nowhere. That's a decent one. Look at that. Absolutely crushed him. There we go. Smoked the black and blue jig. Awesome. Throw you in. You back. Whoa. There we go. There he goes. He's off. I was trying to catch the smaller one right here. Kept twitching it, nothing, and he came out of nowhere flying in and grabbed it. So let's keep going and try to get some more. Guys, this is not good. I just flipped under and I hooked this giant and I snapped my rod. He's a big one. God, my rod is snapped. Oh. That's a 5-pounder. My rod got caught and it took off under and snapped. This is it's good but not good. Ah, what's that? Scared me. Oh gosh. Get up. Oh no. No. Oh. It's a pretty good one, dude. Yes, sir. We got. Oh yeah. That's a pretty good one. Look at that. Woo! That's a 5-pounder all day. All right, guys, there he is. Final weight was 5.3. 5.3. And I'm gonna get him going away here. There he goes. That's a big boy right there. Let's go. Under that dock. Hey, at least I got the fish, but I did snap my rod, so whatever, it was worth it. All right. Well, guys, I had the perch out and I was across and I saw it kind of slowly moving across and I was like, that's not right. So I grab over there, move it a little bit, nothing, and it takes off. So I hammer it and here he is right there. Look at that perch, he inhaled it. It's a pretty good one. That's probably 2.5 pounder. Pretty good. He got it. Let's go. There he is, guys. We're gonna let him go. There he goes. Back off. Oh, look at that one. That's pretty big. Let's try to catch that one. Well, guys, the perch strikes yet again. Smoked him. Let's go. This one didn't even run. I just knew that perch was deader than a doorknob, and the bobber was swimming across the lake. So, boing. There he is. Bye bye. There he goes. Ready. Go. What I'm talking about. Check back in once we get him a little nibble. Alright, guys. We're gonna catch a perch. We got the GoPro charged a little bit. We're gonna catch a perch and throw some more bait out. I'm probably just gonna stay at this pond for today because, we're catching some pretty good fish. Oh, good over there. We got him. Just threw it under this dock and just smoked this one. Here we go. Thank you. Smoked them under the dock. Bye bye. Got him. Smoked them. Yes, sir, on the perch. Oh, my bye. Well, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to go like, subscribe, and comment what you want to see in the future. I am out.